Meow. Lesson 41. Professor Whiskers here with a very important lesson. Nobody wants emergencies, but they happen, and when they do, you need to know what to say. Medical problems, lost items, police situations, safety concerns. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. I lost my passport. Someone stole my wallet. Help. I'm hurt. These are phrases you hope you never use, but you must know them. Just in case. Today we learn emergency English. Clear, direct, essential. By the end of this lesson, you will be prepared for any emergency. You will know exactly what to say. Let us learn emergency phrases. Even cats have emergencies. 9 lives help, but preparation is better. First, medical situations, health problems, injuries, sickness, getting immediate medical help. Help. I need a doctor. Simple, direct. Use this first. Call an ambulance. For serious emergencies, I need to go to the hospital. Where is the nearest hospital? Is there a doctor here? I need medical help. Describing the problem. I am sick. I am hurt. I do not feel well. Something is wrong. It is an emergency. Common medical problems. I have a fever. I have pain. Where? In my chest. In my stomach. In my head. I cannot breathe. I am bleeding. I think my arm is broken. I feel dizzy. I am going to faint. I have severe pain. At the pharmacy. I need medicine. Do you have something for a headache? I need pain medicine. Can you help me? I feel sick. Allergies and important information. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to nuts. I have diabetes. I have a heart condition. I take this medication. Show bottle or name. I am pregnant. These are critical. Doctors need to know. If you cannot speak clearly, point to where it hurts. Use your phone. Translation app. Write it down if possible. How to call ambulance, police, fire department. Emergency numbers. USA 911 for everything. Police, ambulance, fire. UK 999 or 112. Europe 112 in most countries. Australia 000. Many countries 112 works. Know the number before you travel. On the phone with emergency services. Operator. Emergency services. What is your emergency? You. I need an ambulance. Someone is hurt. Operator. What is your location? You. I'm at 123 Main Street. Or, I'm at the Hilton Hotel. Or, I am on Oak Street near the park. Operator. What happened? You. My friend fell. He is not moving. Or, someone collapsed. Or, there's been an accident. Operator. Stay on the line. Help is coming. Important information to give. Your location. Exact address if possible. What happened? Brief description. Condition. Is the person conscious? Breathing? Your phone number. In case they need to call back. Stay calm. Speak clearly. Slowly. Listen to instructions. Do not hang up until they tell you. They might tell you what to do while waiting. Someone stole something. Or you lost something important. Reporting theft immediately. Help. Someone stole my bag. Someone took my wallet. My phone was stolen. I have been robbed. Stop. Thief. Going to the police. I need to report a theft. Someone stole my passport. My bag was stolen. I would like to file a report. Where is the police station? Police will ask questions. Officer. When did this happen? You. About 30 minutes ago. Or, this morning. Or, just now. Officer. Where did it happen? You. On Main Street. Or, at the train station. Or, in the subway. Officer. What was stolen? You. My wallet with my credit cards and $100. My black backpack with my laptop and passport. Be specific. List everything. Officer. Can you describe the thief? You. Tall man. Wore black jacket. Or, I did not see who took it. Lost items. Not stolen. I lost my passport. I cannot find my wallet. I left my bag somewhere. I lost my phone. Where is the lost and found? At lost and found. Staff. Can I help you? You. I lost my bag. On bus number 42 this morning. Staff. What does it look like? You. Black backpack with a red tag. Staff. Let me check. If we find it, we will call you. What is your phone number? You give number. Important documents. If you lose passport, contact your embassy immediately. If you lose credit cards, call your bank. Cancel the cards. If you lose phone, use Find My Phone app if you set it up. Other situations where you need police. Feeling unsafe. Someone is following me. I feel unsafe. Someone is threatening me. Please help me. I need police. Witnessing a crime. I saw an accident. Someone is hurting someone. There is a fight. I want to report something. At the police station. I need to speak to an officer. I want to make a statement. I am a witness to an incident. I have information about a crime. If police approach you, they might ask for identification. Stay calm. Be polite. Answer questions clearly. If there is a misunderstanding, I do not understand. Do you speak English? Can I call my embassy? I need a translator. I did not do anything wrong. Your rights. You can ask, am I under arrest? You can say, I want to contact my embassy. Stay polite. Do not argue. Get help from your embassy if needed. Very serious emergency. Immediate help needed. If you lost a child, help. I cannot find my child. My daughter is missing. I have lost my son. This is extremely urgent. Everyone will help. Security, staff, police, other people. Describing the child. He is 5 years old. She is wearing red dress. He has brown hair. She was here 5 minutes ago. This is what she looks like. Show photo on phone. Where to report? Security desk, information desk, any staff member. They will announce over speakers. They will search immediately. They might lock exits. Announcements you might hear. Attention please. We are looking for a lost child. 5-year-old boy, blue shirt, brown hair. If you see this child, please bring him to the information desk. If your child is lost, teach children. Stay where you are. Do not leave. Ask a person in uniform for help. Adult missing person. I'm looking for my friend. We got separated. I cannot find my travel companion. Have you seen this person? Show photo. We were supposed to meet here. Less urgent than child. But still concerning. Rare but important. Natural disasters. Serious dangers. Evacuation immediately. Leave the building. Follow the emergency exits. Do not use elevators. Fire alarm. Exit quickly. Natural disasters. Earthquake. At under a table. Stay away from windows. Fire. Stay low. Cover your mouth. Exit quickly. Flood. Go to higher ground. Hotel fire alarm. You hear alarm. Leave immediately. Take key card. Put on shoes. Nothing else matters. Full door. If hot, do not open. Use window or other exit. Go to stairs. Never elevator. Go outside. Far from building. Wait for instructions. Announcements in disasters. This is an emergency. Please evacuate. Proceed to the emergency exits. Stay calm. Walk. Do not run. Follow staff instructions. Asking about safety. Is it safe? What should I do? Where should I go? Is there danger? In emergencies, communication must be clear and simple. Keep it simple. Short sentences. Direct words. Help. Doctor. Police. Fire. Ambulance. Do not use complex language. This is not the time for perfect grammar. Essential information only. Who, what, where, when, my friend, hurt, hotel lobby, now. That is all they need to start helping. Numbers are important. How many people? 3 people hurt. What room number? Room 305. What address? 123 Oak Street. Stay calm if possible. Speaking clearly is more important than speaking quickly. Take a breath. Say it slowly. Repeat if needed. If you are panicking, that is normal, but try to communicate key information using gestures. Point, show, demonstrate. Communication is not just words. Point to where it hurts. Show how many people. Gesture to follow you. Emergency is over. What next? Follow-up actions. Get copies of all reports. Police reports. Medical reports. Important for insurance. Contact your embassy if documents were lost. Contact your insurance company. Cancel stolen credit cards immediately. Change passwords if phone was stolen. Getting replacements. Lost passport. Go to your embassy. They can issue emergency passport. Lost credit cards. Bank can send new ones or give emergency cash. Lost phone. Contact your carrier. Block the old phone. Get new SIM. Documentation for insurance. Take photos of damage. Keep all receipts. Medical bills. Police reports. Replacement costs. Write down what happened while you remember. Names of people who helped. Thanking helpers. After emergency, thank the people who helped. Thank you for helping me. I am very grateful. You saved me. If someone really helped in serious situation. Emotional support. Emergencies are stressful. It is okay to feel upset, scared, angry. Talk to someone. Friend, family, hotel staff. Many cities have tourist assistance services. Your embassy can help with support. Homework time. Task 1. Write down emergency numbers for your country and any country you plan to visit. Keep them in your phone. Research now. Do not wait for emergency. Task 2. Practice these critical emergency phrases out loud 5 times each. Hope you never need them, but be prepared. Help. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. Someone stole my wallet. I lost my passport. This is an emergency. Task 3. In the comments, tell us. Have you ever had an emergency while traveling? What happened? How did you handle it? Or share emergency preparedness tips. Example. I got sick in Thailand. The hotel helped me find a doctor. Everyone was very kind. Or, I lost my wallet in Paris. I went to the police station and filed a report. My embassy helped me. Or, I always keep copies of my passport separate from the original. Share your experience or advice in English. In Lesson 42, we complete Week 6 with a review. Lessons 36 through 41. Airport, taxi, public transport, hotel, asking for help, and emergency phrases. All the essential travel situations. We will practice everything together. Real scenarios. Complete conversations. But today you learned emergency phrases. Medical emergencies. Police situations. Lost items. Safety concerns. Serious dangers. You hope you never need this lesson. But knowing these phrases gives you confidence, reduces fear, prepares you for anything. Write down important numbers now. Emergency services. Your embassy. your bank, your insurance. Keep copies of important documents, passport, credit cards, insurance information. Take photos of these documents. Store in email or cloud, so you have access even if everything is stolen. Be prepared. Be safe. Most travels are wonderful. No problems. No emergencies. But if something happens, you are ready. You know what to say. You can get help. That is empowering. Stay safe out there. Meow.